How to use AI to summarize your weekly efforts and fatigue inside of Strava. So this is a built-in feature which is the athlete intelligence. You can easily view this option by heading over to the use section and then heading over to activities. If you have the paid version or are a subscriber of Strava, all of these stats will be visible right inside of activities. It automatically analyzes your running, cycling or hiking activities to provide a summary of your efforts and trends. You can also scroll down and head over to the fatigue analysis to see insights on how your recent workouts fit inside of your overall training row. Apart from this, you can also head over to the progress bar to view the training log, where the AI provides a weekly overview of all of the activities which you can summarize or separate by tapping on each of the sports that are visible on the top. So using this exact steps, you can use AI to summarize your weekly effort and fatigue in Strava. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to let me know. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.